by 1.672 into 10 power minus 28 grams. So please calculate that. You will get first option, second option 9.57 into 10 power 4. 9.57 into 10 power 4 coulomb per gram. Yes, isn't it?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, who discovered neutron? James Chadwick discovered neutron. Nucleus of tritium consists of what?
Proton and neutron.
Proton and neutron.
Proton and
First of all, tritium means what? This is the tritium.
Yes, sir.
So protons 1.
Neutrons 3.
Neutrons formula. Neutrons A minus Z formula. What is A value? 3.
3 minus 1. 2.
Okay. It contains 1 proton or 2 neutrons. At mass number, neutrons formula A minus Z.
minus Z.
Next, question number 8. What is the charge of oil drop given? 1.282 into 10 power minus 18. This is charge of oil drop. Students, already we did this type of problem. 1 electron charge how much? 1.282 into 10. Sorry. 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 coulombs. So we have how much charge? 1.38. 1.282 into 10 power minus 18 coulombs means how many electrons will be? That is 1.282 into 10 power minus 18 divided by 1.602 into 10 power minus 19. So please simplify this. How many will get? I think it is in notes, this type of problem.
Sir, 8.
Notes, this problem is notes, but value may be different. Open your notes once. Discovery of electron after you see. Discovery is charge of electron, charge of proton.
Sir, 8.
8,
8, sir.
It is the answer. But you are not saying what I am asking, whether this type of
Sir, yes, sir. 5 electrons one time we had got, sir, answer.
That's the charge is different. Its charge is different, but same type of problem. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
The ratio of specific charge of proton and alpha particle is. Proton means what? Proton means, please remember, H plus. Okay, na? Alpha particle means He2 plus. He2 plus alpha particle, H plus proton. Now, what is the ratio of charge? Idike ಎಷ್ಟು positive charges ಇದೆ?
1.
Idike
2.
So 1:2 is the answer. Okay, na?
Yes.
Next, question number 10. Can you answer? Question number 10. Think and say the answer. Sai Sharan, what is the answer for question number 10? Question number 10. No one is responding properly.
Sir, first option, sir.
How first option? How many electrons?
Sir, fourth option.
Electrons how many? 10. Protons 8. Neutrons 8. Is protons and electrons are same?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
So that's why it has a compulsory charge.
Charge.
What is the difference we have to determine? Here, protons are less when compared with the electrons. So that's why it is a compulsory anion. Why? Because electrons are greater means we will get negative charge only, na? So
Yes,
that's
sir.
why according to the given options, protons 8 means oxygen. Oxygen atomic number 8. 8 plus 8 is 16. ಇಷ್ಟು complete ಆಯ್ತು. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ charge ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರಬೇಕು? So how many
-2.
-2.
we have? 2 extra electrons will come. So that's why this is the answer. Already this type of problem also we did.
Yes.
Fourth option. Next, question number 11. First, in the given element, how many neutrons are there? How many neutrons are there? Neutrons formula ಏನಮ್ಮ?
A minus Z.
Huh?
Z.
What is the A value?
76.
Z value?
32.
76 minus 32, how much?
44.
44, sure?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
44. In the given options, which option has 44 electrons? That you have to check.
44 is not there, sir.
Huh? 40. 77 minus 33, how much?
43.
Huh?
43.
Sir, 44.
44, sir.
77 minus 33, 43, you will say what?
44, sir.
7 minus 3, you are telling 3 means what can I do? Huh? 44, you are getting the second option?
Yes, sir.
7 minus 2, 5, you are not getting for first option. So, Impana, you are saying simply the option is not given. How you are saying?
Sir, I got 43 I calculated, sir, so I didn't get. Now I got to know 44.
2 minus 2, 4. 7
Yes, sir, yes, sir, got.
Okay, na? Second option answer. Next, 12th one. Which pair is of isoelectronic species? Now I will say once again. Please remember this type of questions. Very, very important. How I am solving, please remember. K plus Cl minus Na plus. So K plus means 19 minus 1. Cl minus means 17 plus 1. Na plus means 11 minus 1. First, I wrote atomic number of potassium. Potassium atomic number 19 only, na? Say, what is the potassium atomic number? No response. 19. No? So here it is losing 1 electron. So that's why 19 minus 1. You will get 18 electrons. Here, chlorine atomic number 17. So it is gaining 1 electron. 17 plus 1, 18. Next, sodium. Sodium 11 atomic number. It is losing 1 electron. 11 minus 1, 10. So here, first two species have same number of electrons, but third one does not. So that's why it is not a correct option. Next, come to second option. What is the second option? Abdul Rashid, can you say second option? Charan?
Sir, potassium plus chlorine minus calcium plus 2.
Means how many electrons? K plus means?
K plus 18, sir.
K plus already here I did 18. Cl minus 18.
18.
Ca plus 2 ಹೇಗೆ ಮಾಡೋದಪ್ಪ? How can I do Ca plus 2?
20 minus 2.
Calcium atomic number
20.
20. So it is losing 2 electrons, 18. So all have same number of electrons now. So that's why second option is correct one. Next, in third option, which is the different one? Two are same, one is different. What is that one? Can you say?
Minus.
Huh?
F minus.
F minus alla, K plus is different. F minus have how many electrons?
Sir, 8. 9 minus 1.
9, sir.
9 minus 1, 9 plus 1 alva.
Yes, sir. 9
9
plus
plus
1.
1, 10.
10.
9 plus 1, sir.
Aluminium
10.
13 minus 3 10.
13 minus 3, 10.
K plus 18. So that's why potassium ion is different. Okay, like that we have to do. No confuse. You are doing addition and subtraction differently. So that's why you are getting different answers. Minus ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ add ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, plus ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ subtract ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Upana is saying 9 minus 1 8. 9 minus 1 ಅಲ್ಲ, 9 plus 1. Okay, irli. Next, question number 13. The compound in which cation is isoelectronic with anion. So, first one I will solve these. Observe NaCl. So, how NaCl dissociates? Na plus Cl minus. Na plus has 11 minus 1. That is a 10 electrons. This is a 17 plus 1. 18 electrons. Here 10 and 18 are not equal. So first option is wrong. Second option, how can you do second option? CsF4. Cs plus F minus. So suppose you don't know atomic number of cesium, no need to worry. So F minus means what? F minus means 10. But the cesium is not in 20 elements now. So that's why you won't get answer. Next. NaI. Na11, that is 11 minus 1 10. This is iodine. Iodine you want to get 10. Why? Because iodine you will get after bromine. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. That's why you want to get sodium ion and iodine ion equal. So it is also not correct. Next, what is the another option? K2S. So K2S means it is dissociated as K plus and S minus 2. K plus has how many electrons? 19 minus 1, 18 electrons. S minus 2 has
18.
Plus 2, 18 electrons. Here, this is isoelectronic with cation and anion. K plus S minus 2 are isoelectronic series. Like this, we have to do. Okay, now? Next. Question number 14. The ratio between the neutrons in carbon and silicon with respect to atomic masses 12 and 28. Carbon, silicon. Carbon 6 is 12, silicon 28 is 14. So 12 minus 6, neutrons he is asking. Neutrons formula A minus Z na. So 12 minus 6, 6, 28 minus 14 no?
14.
14. 6 is to 14 ratio is the
3 is to 7.
2 3 is 2 7. So 3 is to 7 is the number of neutrons in carbon and silicon. Is clear? Any doubts?
No doubts.
Next. Question number 15. Question number 15, he is asking which of the following atoms is the isobar combination. What is isobar? First he said isobar means what?
Having same mass number but different atomic number.
Having same mass number, different atomic number means C and D combination only na? C and D combination means third option. Okay, next. The nitride ion in lithium nitride is composed of nitride ion formula N3 minus. Already it is in notes also. N3 minus. N3 minus nitrogen atomic number 7, mass number 14. No change in mass number, atomic number. Only change is occurring in electrons. How many protons, ma?
7.
What is the atomic number is there? That is the number of protons.
7 protons.
7. Electrons is equal to
7 plus 3, 10.
7 plus 3. That is equal to 10 electrons. So this is increments. Okay, na? Next. Boron has two isotopes, B10, B11, whose relative abundance is 20% and 80% respectively. The average atomic mass of boron is, please remember, average atomic mass is equal to percentage of abundance of 10, how much? Boron 10, 20%.
20.
10 into 20 plus boron 11 percentage of abundance is 80%. 11 into 80 divided by 100. So please simplify this one. You will get 10.8. Okay?
Yes.
At least the basics you have to remember, should not forget easily. Protons, electrons, neutrons. Next. Question number 18. Rutherford's experiment on scattering of alpha particles showed for this first time that the atom has
Nucleus. Nucleus.
So he is the first scientist to identify the nucleus, that is said nucleus is present in the atom. Nucleus. Next, question number 19. Please read and say question number 19. Question number 19.
Fourth option, sir.
When alpha particles are sent through a thin metal foil, most of them go straight through the foil because most part of the atom is
Empty.
Most part of the atom is empty. Next, question number 20. Rutherford's experiment, which established the nuclear model of atom, used the beam of helium nuclei. Helium nuclei means what is another name? Alpha particles.
Alpha particle.
Helium nuclei which impinged on a metal foil and got scattered. So fourth option is the correct one. Okay, na? Say yes or no.
Yes, sir.
Next, question number 21. Read. According to J.J. Thomson, an atom could be thought of as a uniform positive sphere of matter.
Option 3, sir.
Answer embedded. Third option.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Third option. Next, wave nature of electromagnetic radiation. This we will discuss. Once read all you have to read once again, even though you know simple terms. You are struggling in a calculation of protons, electrons, neutrons. So you should not do mistakes in that. Cosmic, gamma, X-rays, UV, visible, IR, micro, radio waves. So this is the electromagnetic spectrum. Cosmic rays, gamma rays, X-rays, UV rays, visible rays, IR rays, microwaves, radio waves, long radio waves. So both are giant as radio waves. So please remember, wavelength is increases. Here, frequency is increases. Highest frequency, least frequency. Least wavelength, highest wavelength. Okay, now students. Already this diagram I did. Now, what is the relation between wavelength and energy? Wavelength and energy are inversely proportional. How can you say wavelength and energy are inversely proportional? So, E is equal to h nu formula is there na?
Yes, sir.
Nu means what mark?
C by lambda.
E relation of the node. So, frequency energy directly proportional.
Yes, sir.
Frequency energy directly proportional. Energy wavelength
Inversely proportional.
inversely proportional. So that's why energy wavelength inversely proportional. Energy wavelength frequency directly proportional. Next, wave number wavelength inversely proportional. Wave number wavelength inversely proportional. Now you see question number 22. Which of the following electromagnetic radiation has maximum wavelength?
IR rays.
IR rays.
You see, he given UV rays. Next, gamma rays. Next, X rays and IR rays. So which has the highest wavelength? IR rays only, na?
Yes,
So
sir.
why? Because IR after these three have UV rays, X rays, gamma rays. So that's why IR rays is the answer. So if you want to solve this type of questions, you have to require knowledge of this diagram. Then you can solve easily. Next, the radiation which with the highest wave number ಅಂದ್ರೆ least wavelength. ಯಾರಿಗೆ least wavelength ಅಪ್ಪ? In given options.
X-rays.
You see, microwaves, radio waves, next IR rays, X-rays given. So X-rays have least wavelength, na? So that's why they have highest wave number. So that's why third option. Next, which of the following statement is not correct regarding electromagnetic spectrum? Not correct regarding electromagnetic spectrum. Okay, na? See, X-rays have longer wave number than microwaves. That's correct. X-rays have longer wave number than microwaves. Because that is X-rays have least wavelength, so that's why highest wave number. Velocity of X-rays is more than that of microwaves. Is wrong. Why? Because all electromagnetic radiations have same velocity. All electromagnetic radiations have same velocity. All electromagnetic radiations have same velocity. So that's why option 2 is incorrect statement. Okay, now next, electromagnetic. Yes, any doubt? Electromagnetic radiations are given. What are given? Visible, IR, next UV, next microwaves. These are given. UV, visible, IR, microwaves. He is asking, arrange the correct order of increasing energy from lowest to highest. Which has the least energy? Microwaves has the least energy. Alva?
Yes.
Highest wavelength na in these four, microwaves have highest wavelength. So highest wavelength means least energy. Next least energy this one. Next this one. Next this one. Andre microwaves is less than IR rays. IR rays is less than visible rays. Visible rays is less than UV rays. Adu answer. Andre
Option 3, sir, DBAC.
Option 3.
3.
Next, question number 26. ಈ ತರ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ. Open your notebook. The frequency of yellow light having wavelength 600 nanometer. Frequency formula ಏನಪ್ಪ?
C by lambda.
U is equal to C by lambda. So C value 3 into 10 power 8 meter per second. wavelength given in nanometers, so 600 nanometers means 6 into 10 power 2 iron, right? 1 nanometer is equal to how many meters apart? 10 power minus 9 meters iron, right? Okay, so 3 1 ja 3 2 ja, right? 0.5 into 10 power minus 7 ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ plus 7 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So 7 plus 8 15. So 5 into 10 power 14 x answer. ಇದೆಯಾ ಆನ್ಸರ್?
Yes, sir. First option.
ನೋಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ. ಸೇಮ್ ಆಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? Next. Question number 27. Frequency of a wave of light. Frequency given. Next, the wave number we have to calculate. So please write down formula. Nu bar is equal to nu into c formula. Okay. Nu bar is equal to nu into c. What is the nu value? 12 into 10 power 14. Next, c value 3 into 10 power 8. Into 10 power 14. So 12 into 300, 36. 36 into 10 power 14 plus 8 is 22 na? 36 into 10 power 22. Wait. Nu bar is equal to nu by c answer. Sorry. Nu bar is equal to nu by c formula. Sorry, directly proportional, na? So nu bar and nu directly proportional. Nu bar wavelength inversely proportional. 12 into 10 power 14 divided by 3 into 10 power 8. 4 into 10 power minus 8. 14 minus 8 is 6, sir?
6.
4 into 10 power 6 answer. ಇದೆಯಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಸರ್, ಅದು ಇಲ್ಲ.
No, sir.
ನೋಡಿ 4 into 10 power 6 ಇದೇನು ಮೀಟರ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಮೀಟರ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್.
Yes, sir.
4 into 10 power 4 ಸೆಂಟಿಮೀಟರ್ ಇನ್ವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ?
Fourth option, sir.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ವಾ?
Yes.
10 power 6 meter inverse, 10 power 4 centimeter inverse. Meters centimeters ಅಂದ್ರೆ power 2 difference ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆನಾ? Next. Question number 28. Say as it is problem is there in your notes.
219 meters, sir.
ಓಕೆನಾ? ಅಲ್ಲ 219 radio waves belongs to. ಓಕೆನಾ? 28 is second option. Notes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next. Question number 29. Please solve question number 29. Which is not characteristic of Planck's quantum theory. Before going to that, please read 2 minutes Planck's quantum theory and that photoelectric effect. Please read 2 minutes. So up to here, do you have any doubts? You please ask. You can ask freely, no problem. I won't feel. So whatever the doubt you have, you can ask. Up to
Sir, option 2, sir, answer.
What I am telling. If you have any doubt, please ask up to 28 question. Okay,
No
na?
doubt.
If you don't have any doubts, you please read. What is that? Planck's quantum theory and the photoelectric effects. So our target is to complete maximum up to 39th question in this class. Okay, any doubt? Impana? Vinayak Gangadhar? Vinayak Gangadhar, any doubts?
No, sir.
Srinidhi?
No doubt, sir.
Varsha Narayana? This is Varsha Narayana. Rajwal?
No doubt, sir.
Sanjay?
No doubt, sir.
Prithvi K. Raj? Prithvi K. Raj? Pawan?
No doubt, sir.
Any doubts?
No, sir.
Hmm?
No, sir.
Okay. Nandan? Neha? Megha?
No, sir.
Lydia?
No doubt, sir.
Impana? Charan?
No doubt, sir.
Abhay? Abdul?
No doubt, sir.
Okay, thank you. Now, open notebook material, sorry. Question number 29, ma. Which is not characteristics of Planck's quantum theory. Okay, na? Energy is not absorbed or emitted in whole number multiples of quantum. It is not correct, na? Energy is radiated or absorbed in whole number multiples of quantum. That is correct, actually. So, option 2 is not correct statement. So, option 2 is correct. Next, question number 30. What are given ma question number 30? Please, this type of questions are important. What is energy given ma?
1 joule.
E is equal to 1 joule. Okay. Next, what is wave number given?
X.
Nu bar is equal to x. Okay na? Next, the number of photons of light having wave number x in 1 joule of energy source. Okay na? Planck's constant H is considered as H, C is considered as C only. Okay na? Formula nu bar is equal to nu by C, or nu is equal to nu bar into C. Nu is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಮ್ಮ? Nu bar ಎಷ್ಟು x. So C as it is x into C. Nu is equal to x into C. Formula ಏನಮ್ಮ? E is equal to NHC by lambda. N is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಮ್ಮ? N is equal to what you will get? E lambda by HC ಅಲ್ವಾ? N is equal to V means 1, H means as it is H, C means as it is HC. So 1 by HC X. New bar HC new bar means X. This is the answer.
Yes, sir. Fourth option.
One minute. Fourth option, huh?
Yes, sir. E is equal to NH nu. NH is C by lambda. C by lambda means nu bar. That is 1 by lambda. So E is equal to E. N is equal to E by HC nu bar. C nu bar. Nu bar is X. Next. Question number 31. Question number 31 already I told in notes. In photoelectric effect, the number of photoelectrons emitted is proportional to intensity of beam. Intensity of current beam.
That is intensity of lights or intensity of incident beam. Next, increase in the frequency of radiation increases.
Kinetic energy.
If frequency increases, kinetic energy of photoelectrons increases. Very good. Next, kinetic energy of electron is ejected by using light having frequency equal to threshold frequency.
Almost zero.
Wait. Kinetic energy of electron ejected by using light having frequency equal to threshold frequency. No electrons are evolved na, so that's why almost zero. Okay na? Almost zero only na? Next. Next one. Question number 34.
4.
So please write down data. What is the energy of light, ma? Read the question thoroughly. See, one diagram I will draw. This is metal surface. These are the electrons. Isn't it? If your light falls on this metal surface, photoelectric effect arises. This light energy is how much? Light energy
0.2 electron volt.
6.2 eV. Okay, na? 6.2 eV electron volts. Okay, na? In that work function is how much?
1.2.
Total energy. In this total energy, 1.2 electron volt. 1.2 electron volt is used to free the electron from metal surface. So to free that electron, we require this much energy. The total energy alli, this energy is used to free the electron. What is the remaining energy?
5 electron volts.
That is kinetic energy. See,
Yes, sir.
total energy I have split into two energies. One is W, another one is kinetic energy. So here W is 1.2 electron volts. Remaining energy is kinetic energy only na. Diagram important. Okay na. So that's why formula ಏನಮ್ಮ E is equal to W plus KE ಆಯ್ತಾ KE is equal to ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ E minus W so 6.2 minus 1.2 that is equal to how much
5.
5 electrons so answer
ಇದೇ ಆನ್ಸರ್ 5 electron volts.
Yes, sir. First option.
Okay. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಲ್ ಇದು ನಾವು ಮನೆ so I am kinetic, I am light of energy. I want to do two types of works, to move and to switch on the light. To move certain amount of energy is required, that is this much. To switch on the light I require certain amount of energy, that is kinetic energy. So kinetic energy is equal to E minus W only, so that's why you get 5 electron volts. Clear? That's all. Next question number what? 35 huh? 35. Please write down data. Work function is given ma. Work function is given how much? 3.3. And this is given 3.3 electron volts. Its threshold frequency will be, so formula E is equal to or W is equal to H nu naught formula. W is equal to H nu naught. Okay, nu naught is equal to W by H. So W how much given? Work function
3.3.
3.3 divided by H value you take. 3.3 divided by H value it is take. 3.3 divided by nu naught value you take. How much you will get? Adadmele ma, so you have to convert it into joules ma. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 joules. You will get W by H, you will get certain value na. You please convert that value into joules by multiplying with 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 joules. Next, question number 36. Question number 36 ಏನಮ್ಮ formula E is equal to hc by lambda. ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Question number 36 direct problem, that is E is equal to hc by lambda. Next 37 ಇದು notes ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಮ್ಮ, as it is problem 37 slightly I think data is different. Energy of 1 mole of photons, direct problem ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ E is equal to n naught h nu formula. E is equal to n naught h nu formula. Next, question number 38. E is equal to nhc by lambda formula. Next, question number 39. Now I will solve question number 39. Please remember, please listen. The energy required to overcome the attractive forces on the electron W of some metal is listed below. Work functions are given in the list. Okay, different elements work functions. The number of metals showing photoelectric effects when light of 300 nanometer wavelength falls on it. Okay, na? What is the wavelength of this light? This light wavelength is given. What is that? 300 nanometer. So if you know wavelength, we can calculate energy, that is E is equal to hc by lambda, or lambda is the wavelength given. E is equal to hc by lambda. E is equal to h 6.626 into 10 power minus 34 into 3 into 10 power 8 divided by wavelength how much? 300 nanometer. 300 to 3 into 10 power 2 nanometer 10 power minus 9.
minus.
Okay. E is equal to how much mark? So E3 cancel. So it minus 7 ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ plus 7. So 8 plus 7 15. 34 minus 15 ಎಷ್ಟಮ್ಮ? 34
19.
minus 19. Okay, minus 19 joules. Okay. So E energy convert into electron volts. 1 electron volt is equal to 1.602 into 10 power minus 19 joules. So 6.626 into 10 power minus 19 joules means how many electron volts? 6.626 into 10 power minus 19 divided by 1.602 into 10 power minus 19. 6.626 by 1.602, how much?
4.13.
4.13. So this is the energy of photon, that is energy of light. This much energy is required. Okay, na? 4.8. How many metals is showing photoelectric effect?
5, sir.
How can you say 5?
Sir, because the value should be more than 4.13, no, sir. That's why here 5 metals have value more than 4.13.
The number of metals is showing photoelectric effect when light of 300 nanometer falls. Okay, na? How many metals is showing photoelectric effect? 5.
Cu, Ag, Fe, Pt, W.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir. 5, sir.
Work function greater than 4.14 electron volts. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
So 4.14 ಕಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ. Okay, na?
Yes, sir.
4.14. Actually, the number of metals does not showing ಇರಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ so 4.14 ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ you want to get photoelectric effect. Metal free work function is always less than energy of light. So how many metals does not get means 5 actually. So how work function greater than 4.14. Okay, later I will check that question. Here work function is different metals given. So here how much, what is the energy of light we are using? 4.14. So 4.14 gandre ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ work function you want to get electrons na.
Yes.
So later I will check that question. Okay na? Metals are metals will give photoelectric effect or will not give photoelectric effect, that I will check. Okay na? So this is about question number 39. So please read the formulas thoroughly. Formulas very important. Without formulas, electronic structure you can't understand. Okay na? Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye.